friends, this is Emma, and today I'll show you step by step how to draw a cute ghost. Let's get started. Let's first start by drawing the candies. So right here, I am going to draw a long oval. Give 3 curved circles at each end. And on top of it, I am going to draw another oval. So those are 2 candies stacking on top of each other. And I am going to draw a star that is standing on top of the candies. From the tip of the star, let's draw a curved line that goes up. So this is the ghost, and I am going to let it round up here. And then bring it back down. Now I'm not gonna draw the bottom yet because I need to add a basket here. So let's draw the eyes first. A long oval and shade it in black. Same size oval on the other side. And a cute smile. One hand is over here. The other hand is holding the trick-or-treat basket. So from the end of this hand right here, draw a curved line that comes out this way. That's the handle of the basket. And draw another curved line. So that's one side of the handle, and then draw this line across to the other side, and draw this line across to the other side. So that is the handle. And then from here, I am going to draw a small oval. That's the inside of the basket. And then from here, I am going to draw another oval that connects back to the handle. So that's the opening of the basket. Now let's draw this line down. And close it off. So that's the basket. And then from here, I am going to fill the basket with some candies. So first, let me draw a stick that pops out. And I am going to draw a huge lollipop. A very big one. Now we can connect this point back to the handle. Okay, so that's the ghost, and let's give the ghost the bottom. So I'm going to draw this line across. It comes back down here, and then draw some curves. So this ghost is holding the basket. Now let's give the ghost a head. So from here, draw a curved line that goes out. Bring it back to the other side. And from here, let's draw a curved line that goes out this way. And then bring it back. I am going to give an angle line here, and we are going to shade this part in a different color. And I like to add some stars as the decoration. I am going to fast forward the coloring part, but make sure to stay till the end to see how I add some details. Happy trick or treat! Make sure to check out my other Halloween videos. If you follow today, I would love to see what you created. Send it to emmaarttime@gmail.com to be included in my next video. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time.